Good morning, students. So now we are going to discuss the topic as the magnetic field is producing in the case of a circular loop which is carrying current. So here we are going to consider the case of a circular loop which is carrying current. So this is the way an external circuit is connected to this loop in this way. So cell or a battery is connected here along with the switch is also connected. So you can observe that this is the way we are having one circular loop is there. Circular loop means there is a coil with a large number of turns, you can say that. Let n is considered as the number of turns in the case of this coil. And we are considering a situation which we know this is a positive terminal and this is a negative terminal. So current is flowing along this direction. So this is the direction of a current flow in this circular loop. Along this direction current is flowing. We know we have already seen that in the case of a long straight wire, how the field lines are producing. So we have seen that in the case of a long straight wire, field lines are producing in the form of concentric circles. Similarly, in this case also, we can see that a circular loop, this is a straight wire only. That means the field lines are producing in the form of a concentric circles only. In this case also, you can observe that. Field lines are producing in the form of a concentric circles. And you can observe that the current is flowing in the upward direction. So with the help of right hand thumb rule, we can determine the direction of this current of magnetic field lines. So how do we determine the direction of magnetic field lines? You can see that this is the way you can hold this loop and in which thumb is showing the direction of current. Then finger will show the direction of a magnetic field lines. So you can observe that what is the direction of a finger is in this case. So this is the way you can see that from outward to inward direction. So this is the way you can observe the direction of a field lines. And one more thing you can observe that as you go away from this current carrying conductor, the strength of the field is decreases. So this is the way the strength of the curves of this lines are decreasing, means the strength of the field lines are decreasing. Now similarly you can consider the other side also. You can see that other side the current is flowing in the downward direction. In this manner current is coming in the downward direction. So here also field lines are producing in the form of a concentric circles only. In this manner you can observe that field lines are producing in the form of concentric circles in this manner. So as we go away from this, you can observe that strength of the field lines are decreasing. It becomes more straight like this. Strength of the field lines are decreasing. And here we can determine the direction of these magnetic field lines with the help of a right hand thumb rule. You can observe that in this case the current is flowing in the downward direction. You can observe current is flowing in the downward direction. So with the help of a right hand thumb rule, we can determine the direction of a field lines. So you can hold this conductor in your right hand, in which thumb is showing towards the direction of current. Then finger will show the direction of magnetic field lines. That means in this way you can see that outward, and here it is in the inward direction. You can see that it is coming and going. That means inside part it is going in the inward direction. So now outward to inward direction. So this is the way we can represent in the direction of a field lines. And you can observe that we have seen as we go away from this current carrying conductor, you can observe that the strength of the field is decreases. So the center we are getting is field lines in the form of a straight line which is going in the inward direction. So if you are considering this diagram in you can observe that this is on a horizontal surface. We can understand that you can observe these field lines are going in the inward direction. So this is the way we can consider the case of a magnetic field lines in the case of a circular loop which is carrying current. And one more thing you can observe that in the center it is a straight line only which is going in the inward direction. That means field is decreases as we go away from this current carrying conductor. And I said this is a circular loop, that means which contains a large number of turns. Suppose if there are n turns are there. So in this case, the magnetic field producing is n times higher than the magnetic field produced by a single loop. Means a single circular coil, we can say. So if a circular loop is producing, which is a combination of an n number of turns, so we can say that this circular loop is producing the magnetic field n times higher than which is produced by a single coil, single circular coil. Okay, thank you.